Welcome to jetNEXUS tutorials for fast, scalable and resilient applications. In tutorial 8 we'll create a trusted SSL certificate with intermediates. So let's begin. We're going to create what's called a CSR, a certificate signing request. So we're going to go to the configure SSL certificates, create certificate, and we're going to give our certificate a name. And the idea of this is that we fill out all of the details and we click the bottom button which says create certificate request, and this will pop up with that request, which will begin certificate request and then end with certificate request, and we copy that into the CSR for our certificate authority. So we're still in Marlow and that's still in bucks. Choose the correct country. So GB is our correct country for our domain. The correct domain this time is test.jetnexus.com for us because we own that domain. And the key length is 2048, which is the minimum for a certificate authority. This time the bottom button, and then you get a pop-up. Now if you don't get the pop-up, you need to check your pop-ups for your browser. So we'll Control A and then right click and copy. And then we're going to go to our certificate authority. So we're using Semantic and the trial certificate. And they will give a box that allows you to paste that CSR. So first of all we have to choose a server platform which is not listed. So choose not listed and put ALBX and then paste the certificate request and then click continue. So they will then sign that request and you will see CSR pending, and then you will paste the signed request into this box. So let's go and find that signed request. This is typically an email that they'll send back with the signed request. So we're going to copy all of that, paste it into our manage section, click install, and the bottom it says certificate has been installed, and that changes from pending to trusted, but we don't have our intermediates. So what we're going to do is we've also got some intermediates from VeriSign, so we'll go and copy that intermediate. So we just edit, it will begin certificate and end certificate. We'll copy that. This time we're going to paste it into the same box, but we're going to click add intermediate. If you have more than one intermediate, you can paste them all in one by one. The last one you should do is the one closest to the certificate authority. So that's been applied, and let's go and apply that certificate to our service. There we go. So the one that says test CSR, click update, and then we can open up the other tab and see the certificate. So click refresh. Let's go and check that certificate out. And we can see it's from test.jetnexus.com, it's been signed by VeriSign, and look at the path, we should have an intermediate in there as well, which we do. Thanks for watching, and please check out the rest of the series from the links below. There's also a link to get your very own ALBX free trial.